And I-oop explained. Unpacking the Viral Phrase. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fun world of English language expressions and slang. Today, we're unpacking a phrase that went viral and became a staple in internet culture. And I-oop. Whether you've heard it in videos, seen it in memes, or come across it in text messages, you might be wondering what it means and how to use it. Stay tuned as we explore the origin, meaning, and usage of and I-oop. And I-oop is a phrase that you might hear when someone is interrupted by a sudden realization or interruption. It expresses a moment of surprise, embarrassment, or an unexpected pause in conversation. But it's not just any surprise. It's often used when the surprise is related to something potentially embarrassing or when someone stops themselves from saying something they might regret. The phrase, and I-oop, originated from a viral video by drag queen Jasmine Masters, who accidentally hit herself during the recording and uttered the phrase. It quickly caught on for its relatable and humorous expression of a momentary mishap. Since then, it's become a meme used to signal a faux pas or unexpected event that causes someone to stop mid-sentence. You can use and I-oop in your daily conversation or online communication. Here are a few examples. When you're about to say something but suddenly remember it's a secret, you can say, and I-oop, I almost gave it away. If you're telling a story and get sidetracked by another thought, and I-oop can be the perfect filler to get you back on track. It's also great for texting when you want to express that you're shocked or made a blunder. Despite its popularity, and I-oop isn't always appropriate. It's a casual and informal phrase, so it's best kept out of professional or formal contexts. Also, since it's a slang term rooted in internet culture, it might not be understood by everyone, particularly those not familiar with internet slang or the English-speaking meme community. Let's put and I-oop into action. Try creating your own sentences using the phrase. Remember, the best way to learn is by practice, so don't hesitate to pause the video and come up with a few examples of your own. Thank you for watching our video on and I-oop. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase like a native speaker. English is full of colorful expressions that make learning it both challenging and enjoyable. Keep practicing. And don't forget to laugh at the little surprises that come your way. Maybe with an and I-oop of your own. Until next time, happy learning!